Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the phrase voice box. It might seem simple, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is voice box. Let's break it down. First, we have voice, which rhymes with voice and choice. Then comes box, which sounds like box but with a strong B sound at the beginning. Now, let's put it all together. Voice box. Try repeating after me, voice box. Now a little faster, voice box. And at full speed, voice box. Keep practicing, and soon this phrase will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Voice box refers to the larynx, the part of the throat that produces sound when we speak or sing. It is essential for vocalization. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce voice box and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words or phrases you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.